Did you know airlines lose billions of dollars every year because travelers are getting smarter? In 2025, flying isn't just about booking a ticket and showing up. It's a game, a strategy, and if you play it right, you win. Today, we're diving into 10 secret flight hacks that airlines don't want you to know. These tips are not just relevant, they're essential if you want to travel smarter, avoid hidden fees, and enjoy a smooth journey. Whether you're packing for a business trip or planning your next vacation, these travel tricks will save you time, stress, and money. Let's get started. Hack 1. The smart luggage compression trick. Let's face it, baggage fees are getting worse. Airlines in 2025 are charging more than ever for checked luggage. Every extra pound costs you money. And those overweight fees, they add up fast. That's where the smart luggage compression revolution comes in. There are now high-tech bags with built-in compression systems. These bags literally shrink your clothes with the press of a button. Bulky sweaters, thick jeans, compressed down to 40% of their original size. It's like carrying a closet in one small suitcase. But don't worry if you're not into smart bags, there's still a low-tech version that works just as well. Vacuum compression bags with built-in hand pumps are a lifesaver. No need for electric pumps or outlets. You just press out the air, seal the bag, and you're done. And here's a crucial tip most people miss. Airlines are now using digital weight sensors at check-in. They can detect when your bag is unevenly packed. That can lead to extra inspections or surprise fees. So always make sure your compressed clothes are evenly spread out. Balance is everything. It's a small detail, but it can save you a lot of hassle at the counter. With this hack, you'll pay less, pack more, and travel lighter. Hack 2. Expandable personal item loophole. In 2025, most US airlines now follow a standard rule for personal items. One small bag. The exact dimensions: 16 by 12 by 6 inches. And yes, they're strict about it. But here's the loophole. The airlines only measure the bag once, usually at the gate or security checkpoint. So what do smart travelers do? They bring expandable bags. These bags look small and fit perfectly within the allowed size. But once you're past the initial check, they unzip and expand. Some even double in size. Perfect for adding snacks, gadgets, souvenirs, whatever you couldn't fit earlier. Now, listen to this. Digital boarding passes in 2025 often come with embedded sensors. When you scan them at the gate, they check your carry-on dimensions too. Sounds high-tech, right? Here's the fix before scanning. Compress your bag. Zip it tight. Make it look small. Once you're on the plane, expand it as needed. No extra fees. No dirty looks from flight attendants. This hack is all about playing by the rules just smartly. Hack 3. Power up like a pro. Here's a nightmare. Your flight is delayed. You've got 3 hours to kill. You pull out your phone to stream a movie, and it's dead. Even worse, some airlines now have a new rule. Your devices need at least a 20% charge before boarding. Yep, that's a thing. The fix: universal chargers with multiple outputs. These pocket-sized power bricks can charge your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and more all at once. Always carry one in your personal item. Never check it in. Keep it fully charged. And here's why airports now charge for USB-C power ports. You heard that right. Some seats offer free charging. Others, you pay by the hour. But smart travelers bring a USB-C splitter. That way, you can plug in your charger, connect multiple devices, and even share with a neighbor if you're feeling generous. The bottom line: if your phone dies mid-flight, you lose access to entertainment, mobile boarding passes, even hotel check-in. Don't risk it. Power is everything. Travel fully charged. Hack 4. Beat the liquid rule with solids. You've heard it 1,000 times, 3.4 ounces per liquid. But that rule is still here in 2025. What has changed is how smart travelers get around it. The secret: solid versions of your daily essentials. Solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, deodorant sticks. Even sunscreen comes in solid form now. They don't count as liquids, so they won't trigger extra screening or get tossed at security. And here's a bonus: they take up less space, don't spill, and last longer than liquid versions. Some airlines even let you pre-approve your toiletry bag through their app. You upload a photo or list, and get a green light before you even leave home. And if you do buy liquids like that fancy duty-free perfume, save your digital receipt in the airline app. It proves the item was purchased after security, which means it's allowed. No more arguments at the gate. With solid toiletries and smart receipts, you breeze through security like a pro. Hack 5. Never lose your luggage again. Lost luggage is the traveler's worst nightmare. Luckily, RFID tracking is now standard on international flights. And that's a game changer. Here's how it works. Your bag gets a unique RFID tag that sends real-time location updates to the airline system. And if you link that tag to your airline app, you can track your bag from check-in to baggage claim. Want to take it further? Get a smart luggage tag with an e-ink screen. It updates your flight info automatically using your phone. No more messy stickers. No more mix-ups. Still using old barcode stickers from past trips? Remove them. They confuse scanners and slow down transfers. And one more thing, register your bag before check-in. It helps airline staff match your name to your bag if it ever gets separated. With these steps, your luggage is basically unlosable. Hack 6. Outsmart the security. Security scanners are smarter now. They use AI to analyze object density and composition, not just shape. That's a good thing, but it also means more false alarms. Here's how to avoid them. First, don't wrap electronics in layers. That confuses the scanner. Keep them in transparent organizers. One item per pocket. Laptops, tablets, cameras all packed separately. Avoid packing things like aluminum foil or layered batteries with your devices. These materials often flag the system for manual inspection. Traveling with something unusual? Declare it early. Use your airport app to submit a digital inventory. For example, if you're carrying camera gear or a drone, add it to your pre-check list. That way, the system expects it, and you skip the secondary check. Little tricks like these save time, reduce hassle, and get you to your gate faster. Hack 7. The biometric fast track on lines. Not anymore. If you travel often, sign up for biometric fast track. In 2025, more than 60% of US airports now support facial recognition check-in and boarding. Once you register your face through the airline or airport app, the process is smooth. No more ID checks. No more waiting. It's like having VIP access at every terminal. Even better, some airline alliances now share your biometric data. That means one registration works across multiple airlines. You scan your face, and boom, you're through. Tip: make sure your app has a digital travel ID section. That's where your biometric token lives. Keep it updated with your latest passport photo for best results. It's fast, it's secure, and once you try it, you'll never want to go back. Hack 8. Make your luggage weatherproof. Rain, snow, sun, storms. Weather delays are one thing, but damaged luggage, that's a problem. Smart travelers now use hydrophobic sprays to protect their bags. These sprays create a waterproof and UV-resistant layer on the surface. Think of it like an invisible shield for your suitcase. Spray it 24 hours before travel. Let it dry in a cool, dry place. That gives it time to cure and do its job. Now your bag won't absorb water, get stained, or fade from sun damage. Bonus: this also helps your bag last longer. Less wear and tear means fewer replacements and fewer surprises when your bag comes down the carousel. Hack 9. Pack like a pro with AI. You packed everything, but your bag is overweight. Again? That's where AI packing assistants come in. These apps let you scan your luggage and enter your item list. Then they show you how to place each item for maximum space and balance. In 2025, airlines care not just about how much your bag weighs but how that weight is distributed. Poorly packed bags delay flights. That's why some airline apps now integrate packing templates. Follow the guide, and you might qualify for priority bag drop. Less waiting, faster boarding, and you avoid the embarrassment of unpacking your stuff in front of everyone. Let AI do the thinking, so you can focus on the fun part, your trip. Hack 10. Get rewarded for going green in 2025. Carbon offsetting isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your perks. Thanks to the Global Aviation Climate Accord, airlines now reward travelers who opt into carbon offset programs. You can earn bonus points, priority boarding, or even free baggage. Most airlines let you opt in during booking or up to 48 hours before departure. The best part: your frequent flyer account tracks your offsets. Accumulate enough credits, and you can qualify for membership tier upgrades. It's like getting rewarded for being responsible. Fly green, get perks. Simple as that. Bonus hack. Sync everything in one app. Flight delayed? No problem. Thanks to global travel synchronization, many airline apps can now adjust your entire itinerary automatically. Your hotel, rental car, airport shuttle, they all update based on your flight status. Running late? The app tells your hotel to hold your reservation. Missed your connection? It rebooks you without waiting in line. All you have to do is turn on cascade adjustments in your app settings. It does the rest. This is the future of smart travel. One app, one system, zero stress. Final thoughts of Minimalist travel in 2025 has changed, but the tools to beat the system are better than ever. You've just learned 10 secret hacks that can turn you into a smarter, faster, more efficient traveler. From packing tech to security tricks to carbon rewards, you're now equipped to fly like a pro. So let's ask you this: which hack will you try on your next trip? Got a tip of your own? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear it. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more smart travel content every week. Safe travels, fly smart, and stay ahead of the game.